Hello, my name is Tina Dillard with Quilting Affection Designs, and welcome to month 7 in the Rambling Star Block of the Month video series. Today we'll be covering in this video block 7 and bonus block 2. We'll be covering the fabrics and how to make the blocks and put them together. So let's begin. For block 7, you're going to make 4 blocks that measure 6.5 by 3.5. You will need to have the following colors for your block: white, red, gold, and blue. Please refer to your pattern instructions for your yardage requirements and your cutting instructions. In addition to your basic sewing supplies, you'll be using the following Deb Tucker Studio 180 design rulers: the Tucker Trimmer 1 and the Wing Clipper 1. You'll be making the following units in for your block: half square triangles that measure 2 inch, blue and white, and red and white, and flying geese that are blue with white winged and gold with blue winged, 2 by 3.5. Please refer to your pattern for assembly instructions. And we've also discussed in previous months on how to make the flying geese and half square triangles. So if you need additional assistance, please refer back to month 3 videos. So now let's begin our block 7 assembly.